Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I don't know where my kids went. Oh, Callie's sitting in the hallway. Bonnie's asleep on the bed. She's on the other side of a box. I couldn't see her. So welcome to the Halloween week with me, and today is Fairy Day. I don't know that I thought I nailed Fairy pretty good, and then my mom commented on a picture of me and said, oh, I looked witchy, and I'm like, wait a minute. I wasn't going for witch, I was going for a fairy. But she couldn't see the corset, and I thought she could see this. I don't know. It's all in fun. And I think I just took a picture of myself with the remote. Today we are going to unbox one of our favorite boxes. This is the Rocksbox. It is a monthly rental subscription for jewelry. So you get to rent 3 pieces for as long as you want. When you're done with them, you send them back. They send you 3 more pieces. They are curated for you to what you like. If you do fall in love with one of the pieces, you can buy it. And that $21 that is your monthly fee is credited back to whatever you keep within that month. Now, you can get more than one box within a month. And I do, as much as I rotate them as much as I can, because I really like having different jewelry to show for y'all. So, like I said, $21 for 3 pieces. If you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a code that will give you your first set free. So if you want to try it risk-free, rent your first set for free, cancel it if you don't like it. It's a fun way to try it out. I love it when you can try stuff for free and not have to worry about, oh, here's a bill, whatever. So we're gonna open Rocksbox and see what they sent me this time. I wonder if I have, they send you a preview. And y'all, I was really hoping for this one Kendra Scott necklace, and it has her pendant, but it kind of had little ears on it and made it look like a cat. I was really hoping to get that. I don't think I got it this month. In the preview, let me see if I can find, I normally take screenshots so I can read to you what the stylist said to me. Let's see if I remembered to do that this time. Go through my plethora of pictures I got here. All right, I'm so happy. It says, hey Gina, I'm so happy you found something you love in your last set. I hope you find something just as special in this set. Clove multi-strand necklace features simple details that won't let you get enough of it. Okay. It adds a little something extra that creates a beautifully eye-catching layered look in just one step. This Sylvie stone drop studs are a stunning addition to your jewelry that you can wear at a wedding or at any special occasion. Look for a modern addition to your stack. We're downright smitten with this Richmond cuff. A fresh style forward addition to your stack collection. Have fun mixing and matching these pieces in your wardrobe. Enjoy, K-Cell. I hope I said that right. So, it comes in the bubble bag, and then you got a Rocksbox. Oh, this one is different. They've changed it up. Hey, gorgeous. On the back, you have your care instructions. Yay! And then you have your 3 pieces. In the bottom, you have your return label and your pricing sheet. First is a Kendra Scott. It is the Clove multi-strand necklace in gold. The regular price and the retail price are the same. It's $68. Now, sometimes you get a discount, a member discount. This one doesn't seem to have that, but let's look at it. I love Kendra Scott. If you have a Kendra Scott store local to you, in your birthday month, they will give you 1 piece of jewelry for half off. So I was gonna go for my birthday month and get a piece of jewelry for half off, but yeah, I kind of indulged like crazy and I never did get up to the store. So this is lovely. Look at that. I feel like it's too bright. So this, I was trying to figure out if it is stone. There is a clear stone there. Very beautiful. Let's try it on. All of Kendra Scott's jewelry does come extendable with the extensions, and then you have down here the Kendra Scott little logo brand. Very cute. This is pretty, y'all. Is this what Fairy Me needed or what? I'm gonna get glitter on it. This is beautiful. I really do like this. This is Rudiment Richmond Cuff in Gold. The retail price is $65. The member price is $55. Oh, this is pretty, y'all. Look at that. It has the studs on one piece and the solid on the other. Just a little cuff to go on your arm, if I can get it on. Look how beautiful. It's lovely. Like that. So this is my problem, is I get it all and I want to keep everything, and I know I can't. Alright, so these are Love AJ, the Sylvie Stone stud earrings in gold. The regular price is $75 and the member price is $72. Look at that, y'all. I mean, this is insane. So the stud's up front and the chain hangs from the back. Let me take my wings off a second. Hang on. We're gonna try these on. All jewelry, by the way, is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about that. It's another thing that I love about Rocksbox. Yeah, look at that. That is lovely. Oh my goodness. I gotta get a mirror. Gotta really see what I look like. These are cool. I don't feel like I have it on good though. Now I got it on good. I really like that. I mean, it's lovely. All right, y'all. So what did y'all think of the Rocksbox? Which pieces did you like? Which piece should I keep? Or should I just send it all back? I love hearing y'all's opinion, knowing what y'all think. I would love it if you would like this video. Share with your friends, please. Subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification bell. I really appreciate all that stuff that you do for me. It just makes my day. Y'all have a happy and safe Halloween. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.